my mentors are going to tell about the case study information about the prediction maintenance application document in the composite mobile application. So how the prediction maintenance system developed using the composite mobile application, we have 5 different stages called empathy and define, ideate and prototype and test. So each stage have a different methodologies as well as a different concept. So each one have a different time duration, and each stages will explain by my mentees and start with.
I am Sasitra Balani. I am going to explain empathy part. In general, empathy is collecting a real-time problem from the society. And here, in this case study, the main problem is breakdowning of the machine regularly, even though they have maintained regularly, and then it got a breakdown suddenly. But for that, they have to predict when the machine is going to shut down. Is the main problem in this case study. We have talked with the maintenance workers manager, and their main problem is to when the system is going to shut down, is that what they want to know, so that they can maintain the mission properly is the main problem here. Next part will be explained by Shrutika.
Hello, I am Shrutika. I am going to explain the define part. While analyzing the empathy, we can take a main problem, which is to stop the mission from breaking down unexpectedly. Here, the missions are being fixed regularly on a time schedule, where the missions are checked even if there is no problem. This may lead to missing of real issues, and they don't have even a good tools. All they need is a smart system which can help them to find the problems as soon as it occurs. This system will be helping them to automate and easy to use. And we are focusing on the main problem in define part, which is to stop the machine from breaking down unexpectedly. Next, the ideate part will be explained by Open.
Myself, our idea is to develop a predictive model using machine learning to ensure that the workers are notified when a machine is when equipment is going to fail, or any error or issue occurs in the equipment. So our main concern will be focusing on data that are first fed from the workers to the machine about the equipment, and sensor data that notes the temperature and vibration of the machine, and unexpected variation in the temperature and vibration will be notified to the predictive model, which will further notify to workers to service the machine or check whether the problem is a big or small issue. And the model will develop a dashboard that the user will able to easily work with. The future will be decided by brainstorming team. The main features that should be included in the dashboard should have contained data status of the equipment, and push notification for services and issues will be also built to the dashboard. Prototype will be explained by Tanvi.
And I'm going to explain the prototype phase. It is a very important phase in all the processes. And now we are having the problem statement like predictive analysis using mobile app development, and we will introduce the machine learning concept into it to build a effective projects. At the prototype phase, we have to build a basic version of the model. We can collect the data from different sources. From this scenario, we will collect the real-time environmental data using the sensors. First, we will set up the sensors into the real-time environment, and the sensor will sense the conditions in the real-time scenario and collect the data and store it. And using the models, we can use the data to the models to train the model, and the models predictive is visual using dashboards, and we will make a predictions using the dashboards.
I'm still going to explain the testing part. We deployed the prototype on one production line over 4 weeks. The results were promising. The downtime were dropped by 22%, and the system successfully flagged issues that previously went unnoticed. Maintenance team responded faster and trusted the alerts, though they requested the mobile notifications and more detailed explanation. This feedback is guiding our next iteration. Focusing focusing on deeper ML interoperability and user experience enhancements. The system takes in real-time mission data, process it through the same model.
So that's all about our case study about the prediction maintenance development system.